Welcome to Macy's birthday party!
My mind's been stuck in the in-between. Been trying to find an answer for the last 3 weeks. I can't go back. I can't go back.
Sobrang saya kasi first time na party niya to outside dahil 3 years consecutive year lagi lang kami sa bahay. Tapos ngayon first time niya mag-party.
I used to be where I wanna go. Now I finally know. Oh, I can't believe it only gets better and better and better every single day of my life.
Ayun, saya din kasi nakasal namin, nandun si Jollibee ngayon. First birthday ni Macy na may Jollibee.
And better every single day of my life. Through all of the change I made, I won't go chasing the good old days. 'Cause when life is pushing down, been used to hitting ground.
Favorite na ugali ni Ricky? Siguro yung pagiging malambing niya sa akin. Kasi halos kaming dalawa lang talaga yung magkasama ng buong linggo. Kaming dalawa lang yung nasa bahay. Sobrang sweet niya talaga.
I'm here if you're alone. If you're alone, you're alone, you're alone, I can be your home.
Yung sa akin naman yung part na bago siya matulog, yung jump hug namin dalawa. Mula sa bed, tatalon siya papunta sa akin. Nasa hug na ako ng bagong patay ng E. Thank you for making us happy. Kahit di kita laging nakakasama araw-araw. Pag weekends naman, lagi naman tayo nagkita.
We just begun.
Happy birthday, Macy! Wish lang namin sa'yo ay sana lumaki kang mabait, magalang, stay sweet kay Mommy and Daddy.
Sa akin naman, 3 words na be bold, be brave, and be beautiful just like your mom. Daddy always loves you.
Happy birthday, Macy! We love you!
Just hold on, you got a ways to go. Gotta hold their lives to get it right. And honey, don't be scared of feeling wild. We're 2 kids in the world, we've only just begun. We just begun. We've just begun. If you're alone, you're alone, you're alone, I can be your home. I can be your home. If you're alone, you're alone, you're alone, I can be your home. I can be your home. Just hold on, we've got a ways to go. Gotta hold their lives to get it right. And honey, don't be scared of feeling wild. We're 2 kids in the mud, we've only just begun. We just begun. We just begun.
Happy birthday, Macy!
Happy birthday, Macy!
Happy birthday, Macy!
Happy birthday, Macy!
We just begun.